See that?
And then here they have 2 seats, right?
Ooh-wee. Are you serious right now? Look at these things. Amazing. Lambo, Audi R8, and a McLaren all on the same trailer. And from what my buddy's telling me, there's dual-seater drag cars in the trailer to help with people getting their licenses and stuff like that. So definitely glad I came out today. So I'll probably be sliding in the V a little bit, and I got a nice treat for you with the new exhaust. It sounds really good. And hopefully we can maybe see these cars run tonight. I'm not sure, but definitely Sunday I'm sure he's going to bring them out.
Where the fucking door jam is.
Look at this car.
That's fucking huge. That's cool. I've never seen one of these like this. My dad was a big Corvette fan. He was one of his model cars or whatever. So I built every single Corvette you can imagine.
Beautiful old Corvette. Man, this thing is nuts. Super fast. Seen it go down the strip a couple of times. Big blower on that thing. Beautiful.
Well, so far we only got about 14 guys for Saturday.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
As long as we got fun for
getting a ride. As you guys see, had a good time checking out some of the drag racing, and this Sunday I'm actually gonna go check out some more drag racing as well. I'm gonna be drifting this Sunday. I believe it's the 18th, if you guys see the video by chance before then. Also, it's Import Wars, so I'm gonna go see some drag racing of like some more imports. As you can see in this video, there was some nice, that McLaren, the Audi R8, and then the Lambo, so I want to see those go down the strip and some other stuff that comes out. And then as you can hear the difference between the old exhaust and the new exhaust, way better in my preference. So hope you guys like it too, and check you next time.